Welcome back to Repro Health Unfiltered, SexWahala. Today, we dey enter the side where many people see as girl matter only, but na something where everybody, especially my guys, need to understand. Periods and girl body 101. Okay, when you first hear the word period, wetin be the first thing wey come your mind?
Red, pain, and make her just disappear. We go dey hear say girls dey feel some way, or them dey cry all the time for small pain. E be like say na one big secret wey them no want make we know, and the way people dey talk about am, e be like say na curse or something dirty.
You just hit the nail on the head. Okay, stigma. That's the main wahala. The word period no be bad word. It be normal. Natural science say a woman's body dey healthy and fertile. It just means the body is preparing for a baby, and when no baby shows up, it dey clean house. Simple. Let me give the fast facts for everybody. Wetin dey happen? Na blood and tissue dey leave the body through the vagina. It dey happen once a month. It fit last from 3 to 7 days. Wetin guys should know? No be every girl get the same experience. Some go get sharp pain, wey be cramps, some go just feel tired, and yes, the hormone changes fit make their mood go up and down like fluctuating electricity. E no be say she dey mad or forming, e be real chemical change for the brain. The most important thing to know, you should all be kind. If your girl is on her period, offer her comfort. Offer chocolate, hot water bottle. Don't mock her or tell her to suck it up. She is not being dramatic. She's literally shedding the lining of her womb. Now, for my ladies, let's talk hygiene and vaginal health. Change is key, my darlings. You must change your pad or tampon every 4 to 6 hours. Even if the flow is light, leaving it on too long can cause bad smell and even serious infections. Now let's go to washing. The vagina is self-cleaning. You don't need all those sweet smelling fancy soaps inside. Warm water and mild soap for the outside is enough. Douching is a no-no. It will scatter the natural balance and cause infection. Smell. A healthy vagina has a natural mild smell. If you notice a very strong fishy or foul smell, or you dey get severe itching or weird discharge, no fear, go see a doctor. Na infection be that, and dem fit treat am easy. So, whether you be guy or girl, period talk no be only for clinic or for girl gist. Na common knowledge. The more we talk am openly, the more we break the stigma, and the more we fit support each other. Next week, we go shift the spotlight. Guy body 101. Boys too get struggles, so you don't know one.
Yeah, we know am.
We go talk about everything. Erections to performance pressure. Don't miss am. We go meet.